First step, we're going to take the air box out
and get rid of the old it's still in there. Pull up. Just want to put it on the female side. Make sure it covers it. All those.
Once the air box is out, you'll want to clean the old factory glue off the hoses and also sand down the edges of the hole. This just helps the ultra gray seal to make it more watertight, and you can wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol as well. Once everything is cleaned up, you'll put a nice bead of ultra gray in the notch of every hose. After applying a generous amount of ultra gray, it's time to reinsert the hoses and make a mess. Got the N2Deep snorkels in with the flexi hose. Got all the plastic stripped off. Air box is sealed. Ready for install. Step 1, line up your bracket. And cut the hole where the tube will come through. Got the hole cut. Now we're putting ultra gray on the end of the flexi tube. Sliding it over. All the way around. Look good. Spread it with your finger a little bit. Looks like you're missing a little right there. Putting those 4 screws in has been the hardest part so far. Three inches from the beginning and then 10 inches out. We got it wrapped in heat tape now, and we got our fitting plugged into the air box, and we're ready to put some ultra gray right there and clamp it on right here. You got the hose secured very tight. Now we're ready to extend some vent lines. We're kind of getting creative with these hoses. But here is the radiator vent tube. It'll usually be tucked up in there. And we got the solid reaxial vent and the drum. And then 2 more. One right here. And where'd the other one go? Right there. On the Honda Rancher 420. 2016, I had 6 vents, and on the Rubicon 500 2015 it had 5 vents, and that's because of the drum brake on the Rancher having 1 extra. I'll show you. He put his in his headlight, feeding him right here, which is gonna look way better. I fed mine right here, and I'm gonna zip tie him to the Snorkel. Finished product. Very simple install. Great design by N2Deep. See the hose